Hello and welcome to my channel. We started our journey from Bangalore to Lipakshi, and right now from Lipakshi we are going to Gandikota. So let's go and explore how this place is. This is your host Akash Kapoor and you're watching Travel Advisor AK. The drive from Lipakshi to Gandikota is around 4.5 hours, and if you're coming straight from Bangalore, it's around little less than 7 hours, I would say. Something to be aware of is when you are going from Lipakshi to Gandikota, there are no good eateries on the way, and you'll be passing through the village roads as well. There'll be a 2-lane road, but if you are coming straight from Bangalore to Gandikota, you can take the Hyderabad highway, and there'll be little part which you have to go in. So you just need to be planning your stuff accordingly. And here we see on the left side it's the Eastern Ghats. We are already in the Eastern Ghats here. So let's carry on with our journey and reach Gandikota. We are now very close to Gandikota, and there is a traffic jam. The fast moving vehicles have occupied the road. I'm just going to wait for them to pass before going ahead. I'm right now at the Viewpoint, or as they call it, the Grand Canyon of India. I'm just going to show you that. And you see there are some tents out here. People are camping. And this is a freak outs glamping zone. They've got tents and some AC tents here and some other tents as well. Well, we could not get a reservation here, so we got it somewhere inside, but with no view though. But it's like I mean, there's several resorts which you'll find here, but I won't say don't expect. I would say don't expect much here, because I mean, nothing like a resort. It's like 2-bedroom house or 3-bedroom house what they have created, what they have built, and there are several mushrooms now. And this is the place, the Grand Canyon of India. That's the camping site for Grand Canyon, or Gandikota Grand Canyon, and here we are going to check it out, the gorge and the river, which is Penna River. Here is one of the tents where one can stay. They're still putting up the bedding here, so 2 people can stay here. I'll actually give you a number of a local guy who can give you the tents at a reasonable price, and he's actually right now setting up the tents. And you see these tents right here. So many of them being set up for the evening. You can have a bonfire here and enjoy the night. It's a mesmerizing view from the top. We just stood here for a long time, took several pictures, checked this from right to left. It was so beautiful, really awesome being here. It was a bit misty though, but it was really nice, and we saw a small boat right there in Pennar River, which actually motivated us to go down and check out the speedboat there. Here is the way to boating. Let's check out what boating they have here. It's Pennar River where they do the boating, which actually forms a canyon. See that front wall? At some point water had been touching this and making the route to go. That's visible here. So at some point there was no gorge here, and I don't know how long though, but it's visible that water had been making its route from here. Well, a route to the boating area, which we have to go near this Pennar River. It's a bit dangerous going on the rocks. Yeah. Well, the good part is they've made arrows here as to where to go. It's more like a trekking going to the river. So we have descended and very close to Pennar River now. Just wanted to show you the view from here. Here we are in the boat. You can actually try the speedboat, the kayaking, and water cycling here. So we thought we'll do all three of them though. And here we are in the speedboat. Check out the view from the speedboat. I will unmute now. Listen to the speed of the boat. On our boat journey through the gorge, the boatman actually took us near this rock, and what you see in front of us is the nests of small birds. They were looking pretty, and here he took us next to a waterfall. Although not much water here, but it was nice. He was showing us the places what we can cover on the way. And now it was time to head back. You see the sun setting there. And here we are heading towards the shore. Well, Daksh wanted to do water cycling. You see him trying his hand on water cycling. And once he was done with water cycling, we went for kayaking. We were now tired and wanted to go back to the resort and check out the dinner there. Roti, rice, chicken curry, rasam,
aloo curry,
and aloo curry,
curd and
dal and curd. And this is pickle. Okay, nice. Well, that was too much food for just 4 people. A bucket full of chicken. And after that, we went and had a bonfire. The resort guy actually arranged for it. And here we are enjoying the bonfire. It was a bit cold out here and a full moon night there. Good morning. Well, it's a misty morning in Gandikota, a small place, just like a village, and I'll show you the market here. You see this here? These are some dhabas, call them the market. So that's the only thing here. So few things to remember. One, if you're coming to Gandikota, do not expect any petrol pump nearby. The nearest is like 13 to 15 kilometers, so nothing here. Do not expect any luxurious stay. You get stays here, that's okay. And also for the food options, do not expect that you're going to be getting some good restaurants here. They're not good restaurants.
So what our resort guide told us to go for breakfast at one of the dhabas. It's already paid by them though, but that's how these guys actually manage it here. And in the front you see is the fort. It's a bit misty, but we'll be going to the fort in a little while.
Here is a person making a fresh dosa for us. Well, what you can get here is quite limited. It's masala dosa, plain dosa, and idli. That's what is the menu. And pretty much all the people around who are living in the resorts, you'll find them here in one of these small dhabas eating the breakfast.
Well, after having the breakfast, now we are heading to the fort. And the timings for the fort are 8 a.m. till 6 p.m. and it's like 8:06 right now. Secondly, on the website or when you Google it, it says it's free entry, but there is a ticket of 30 rupees. So when you enter Gandikota, they'll ask you for the parking fee and the fort entry ticket as well. They'll give you right there, and you can use it during your stay here. All right, let's see. How's it going, guys? How's the trip going so far? Enjoying? What was the best time? Best thing you did?
The time when we went to the Grand Canyon, started
Boating.
The boating? When you went down the Grand Canyon, right?
Yeah, it was fun to track.
The track was fine. The track was good. All right. Now we are entering the fort. Let's see what all is there in this fort. You see this fort? What I've read, it has one masjid and 2 temples in there. It resembles very much like Islamic architecture at the top.
Trap door.
Check out the doors here.
Ibrahim Leo.
Huge ones. Not easy to move.
Trap door.
That's the fort, and you see the Char Minar here. That's the jail built by the king. Let's go to this temple. This is a bigger one. Madhav Perumal Swami Mandir or temple. There's another one which is Rangana Kayakula temple. All right, let's go. Here is close to the temple. We are already close to the temple. Unfortunately, we cannot go in. There is a movie shooting going on, so can't go in now. So they allowed us to come in just for 5-10 minutes, and here is the temple. There is no idol in the temple though. Here is the mosque inside the fort. Here is the second temple. And that's the temple structure right there. And when you go on the other side, you can have a view of Pennar River. So we're just going to go and check out the view from here. Well, that was the tour of Gandikota. I hope you enjoyed it. The fort, the view from the of the Grand Canyon, and the boating, and the stay here. It's a nice place. It's good to be here with the group or the family. Group would be better though, and you can enjoy the bonfire and the quiet place here. So with that, I'll close this vlog and I'll head to Belum Caves, which I'm going to cover in the next one. Till my next one, take care and goodbye.